Hi everyone, in today's video we'll learn about fillet command. The fillet command is basically used to smoothen the edges, to give curve at the edges. So I'll draw two lines for the same on the screen. Now I want these two edges to be smooth in the form of curve. So I'll press fillet command and shortcut key for the same is F enter. Now there are many ways to use this command, but the easiest method is just simply press the line, or either ways give the radius to it. So I'll select the radius option. For the same I'll press R as an initial and I'll give the first radius, that is 2 inches. So that's how it smoothed my sharp edge. So this is how we use fillet command to smoothen the edges, to give curve at the corner edges.